In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a window seat on a Qatar Airways flight. Whether you're a first-time flyer or a seasoned traveler, knowing how to secure that coveted window spot can enhance your flying experience immeasurably. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Qatar Airways website. You can easily do this by typing qatarairways.com into your web browser. This will take you to their homepage where you can begin the process of booking your flight. Once you're there, you'll notice the search menu where you can start entering your flight details. Next, enter your destination. It's essential to enter the correct details here to avoid any mistakes in your flight search. As you fill in the destination field, make sure to double check for any potential autofill errors that might occur if you've searched for flights before. Once you have your destination set, the following step is to enter your travel dates. Here, you can select the specific days you'll be flying to and from your destination. If your dates are flexible, you might want to consider using the flexible dates option that sometimes displays options for cheaper or more convenient flights. After setting your travel dates, you'll move on to input the number of passengers traveling. This can range from adults to children and even infants. Ensure that you fill in the correct number of travelers so that your search results are accurate. With all those details entered, it's time to click the Search Flights button. This action will generate a list of potential flights that match your criteria. If everything looks good, go ahead and proceed to the next page. Here's where it gets exciting. This page is crucial because it's where you can choose your seat. You'll see a seat map where you can select the best spot on the plane. If a window seat is your preference, look out for the encircled icons, typically used to identify available window positions. After reviewing the available seating options, read through the flight details and click Select Fare once you're ready to proceed. Double-check all the information to ensure everything is correct before moving on. Once you've selected your desired flight details, click the Confirm button. This will lead you to the next section, which focuses on passenger details. Here, you'll enter your personal information, such as your name and contact details. Ensure the accuracy of these details, as any errors might lead to complications later. Finally, it's time to select your seat. Navigate to the seat selection page, and if you haven't already chosen during the seat map stage, now is the perfect time to pick your window seat. Once confirmed, you'll be all set for your upcoming flight. I hope this guide has helped clarify the process of booking a window seat with Qatar Airways. May your upcoming journey be as comfortable and scenic as you desire.